be surprised or not, but in today's video, guys, we are going to be making the Blue Power Ranger. Yes, welcome back you guys to another Roblox how to make video. Yes, in today's video guys, I will be showing you guys how to make the Blue Power Ranger. Yes, the blue one. I showed you guys how to make the red one, but now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the blue one. Now, personally, red's my favorite color, but my brother loves blue. So, I might as well make the Blue Power Ranger. And plus, someone comment down on one of my videos to make Blue Power Ranger. Now, real quickly guys, before we get into how making the Blue Power Ranger, I'm gonna just tell you guys real quickly, sorry for not uploading videos constantly, or frequently I should say. I've been doing some stuff with school and life, so it's just, you know, getting in the way, all that, but I'm back, yeah! But nah, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to make the Blue Power Ranger, so let's get into it. This is my Pennywise, by the way. Alright, now, so, let's go here. Go here, 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 here. Him, the Blue Power Ranger. Now, here's the Blue Power Ranger, guys. This is the classic, the first ever Power Ranger, or the first ever Blue Power Ranger. His weapons are going to be martial arts, a blue trident, and a laser rifle. This is just how he looks, you know? Looks like the red one, but blue. And yeah, might as well just get into the how-to. So, his basic information, you're going to name him the Blue Power Ranger. Backstory, he's blue, I'm blue, dabba-dee-dabba-da. You don't have to put that, but that's what I put, because he's blue. You can put him good and lawful. His powers, just told you. Martial arts, when you choose Trident, it's going to give you a color option, turn it blue. Same thing with the laser rifle, turn it blue. Skin color, you're going to make him this white right here, or you can make him even whiter. But I prefer this one. His death style will fall backwards. It don't matter with his death style, really. His transformation style would be smoke, or any of the others. It doesn't really matter. Alright, his wrist armor is going to be black. And you're going to leave it default. The shoulder pads are going to be the darkest blue. Leave it default. Forearm is going to be the same white. Leave it default. And same thing here with the gloves is going to be white, and leave it with the default texture. Chest armor, the belt, going to be white with the default texture. Side armor, same thing with the X armor. You're going to go to emblems, and then you're going to give him the star emblem. Specifically, the star emblem. It's going to be white with the standard olive texture. The mask, his head mask, you're going to be giving him the darkest blue head mask. It's going to be just the default color, or the default texture. You're going to add lens. With the lens, you're going to make him black. With the lens, you're going to make him black by clicking edit lens and then picking the black lens. Otherwise, you can just have whatever color lens, but pick the black lens. Hoods, you don't need them. Same thing with mouth covers. Shorts, don't really need them either. His boots, give him the tall super boots. You're going to make them white, specifically white, yes. And they're going to have the default texture as well. Now suit, give him the full suit. You can make it red, so on. But it's going to be the darker blue. Yeah, the darker blue. And the default texture. And from there, you add leg armor. It's going to be the exact same dark blue and no texture, or the default texture I should say. And you're not going to add any facial anythings. So, you're going to swap identities. Now, this is what the first ever Blue Power Ranger actor looked like. His name is going to be Billy Cranston. Hopefully I said that name right. Yep. Now, this time his skin color is going to be this shaded white. Like skin color white. Human white. You're going to give him glasses. It's going to be nerd glasses. Gonna make it this orangish red between all four of these, and it's gonna have no texture to it at all. No gloves, no hats. His jacket, you're gonna give him the open jacket. You're gonna make it the navy blue or the sky bluish navy, whatever it is. Hit matrix. I'm gonna make it this blue, and then you're gonna give it this texture in between these four, or these 6. Wait, no, these 5. It's gonna be that one. Pants, overalls. Gonna make it this blue between these guys, you know. It's this blue, and it's gonna have the cloth texture. Shirts. You're gonna give him the darker blue, and it's gonna have the cloth. It's gonna be the t-shirt. Socks, just make them the generic socks, white with the clothy effect to them, you know. His shoes, you're gonna make them black shoes, just standard shoes, and make it the cloth texture too. Accessories. Now he does have one accessory. It's gonna be the leather belt, and it's gonna be black. You don't really need to add texture to it, but alright. His eyebrows. Well, when it comes to the face, guys, you can do whatever you want because he is just a human, so he can have whatever expression you guys want, but this is just my default. I have no facial hair, and now his hair. You're going to give him the crazy hair. It's not going to be that. It's going to be this orange, and it's going to not stay there, but it's going to have the cloth effect because it gives it a hair-like texture to it. And just like that, guys, we have just made the Blue Power Ranger. You see this? You see this guy in glory? Woo! That's a Blue Power Ranger. That's about the bluest I've ever seen a Power Ranger. Woo! That's a Blue Power Ranger. Yeah! Where am I getting at? I don't know. Alright, guys. That's practically the end of the video. I want to give a real quick shout out to my Discord. If you guys want to check out my Discord, it's going to be in the comment section. It will be in a link in the description below. As well as my other informations. And I want to give a shout out to my friends and my brother, Colas Ice, Larnex Spartan, Larnex Spartan. And yeah, shout out to you guys. Alright, it's been a while since I made a video, so expect more videos real quickly, alright guys? Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out! Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!